Hey y'all, I'm back. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. The side, I just vlogged the beef tenderloin, how I'm cooking it tonight. The side that I'm gonna use is one that is easy to put together. I'm gonna double it today, so I'll try to talk y'all through it as a singular, but bear with me. Anyway, it feeds a lot of people. It feeds about 8 people, one recipe. It's hash brown casserole, one of our favorite dishes around here. It's just a good go-to when you have a lot of people to feed. So you're gonna start with 2 thawed packages of hash browns, of shredded hash browns. And to answer y'all's questions, somebody said, did you make the imaginary farmer birthday cake? I did. I made my lemon pound cake. It's his favorite. And I have peach ice cream, homemade ice cream in the fridge that hopefully Howard is going to bring his White Mountain freezer and churn that for us. So that'll be dessert for tonight. So thank you for watching, Jackie. I appreciate it so much. I'm going to start with 2 bags, which you, for one recipe, of course, you'd start with 1. I had to get like my biggest bowl out. I'm going to turn this down so y'all can see. And I'm going to try to chat while I do this. Oh, Jane, you're so sweet. I like the shredded. You can choose to use the cubed frozen hash browns. That is totally up to you. This is the Food Line brand, which is fine. I use it all the time of hash browns, and I use the shredded. Again, you can use the cubed. It's totally up to you. I prefer the shredded. Now to that, you know what, let me just mix up one at a time. That'll help me maybe not see swirls and like help y'all out with just the one recipe. So get your pencil and write this down. 1 bag of thawed hash browns, okay? Now to that, I'm gonna add, I melted 2 sticks of butter, so I'm gonna add half of this. You're gonna do 1 stick of melted butter, okay? And then you're gonna do 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Now you can use cream of celery, cream of mushroom, cream of whatever, potato if you want to. But this is what the recipe calls for, okay? This is not in my first cookbook, Tammy. You know what? I had to look back myself to see because I know that the favorite son, Drew, called me for this while he was in college, but I didn't put it in the cookbook. Anyway, it's a good one though. I ain't gonna lie about it. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Again, this is not Whale Watcher friendly. And lastly, I love watching y'all's conversations. When I watch the videos back, Whale Watchers used to be Weight Watchers. Oprah got it, and now they call it Whale Watchers, like W-E-L-L. And I don't know. At first, I was a little bit offended because I was like, does that mean I'm like Shamu or Orca? I don't know. Anyway, whatever. That's the name now. Okay. To this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. That's totally up to you, to your taste, okay? And then I'm going to add 8 ounces of sour cream. Now, if you want to cut this down a little bit fat-wise, you could use fat-free Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, totally up to you. Yeah, I guess it's a good thing I don't get offended very easily, or I wouldn't have gone back after the Whale Watcher thing. But anyway, whatever. The program works. That's all I can say. All right, I'm going to mix this in. And I'm going to show y'all this to the end because there's a topping at the end. An easy topping, but a topping nonetheless. Let me get this all incorporated. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese to this that I actually forgot to get out of the refrigerator. Shocker. For you people that watch all the time, y'all are like, really? Like, that's a normal thing for me. Okay. 2 cups of sharp shredded cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like. This is what I use. Let me get that incorporated. And then I have sprayed my pan. Remember that I'm doubling this. I would normally put this in a 13 by 9 inch casserole dish that I'd sprayed. Okay. But I've got my super duper big one sprayed because I'm going to do another recipe of this and put it right alongside here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this into the pan and I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do to top it, and then I will be done for now. I am gonna come back live and show y'all the poppy seed salad. That is one of my favorite salads to do for a big crowd. It's easy, you don't have to have like 100 different dressings and all that. It's just one dressing, and most people like it. It's a vinaigrette-based dressing. Okay, so let's pretend this is a 13 by 9 inch. Now to the top of this, you're going to crush Ritz crackers, enough Ritz crackers to cover it. You don't want it to be real thick, just cover the top of your casserole with it. And then you're gonna bake this on 350 for 40 to 50 minutes until it's bubbly and golden on the top, okay? So I'll show you a picture of that when it's done. Wait for the poppy seed. I know I love the poppy seed salad, Karen, so I'll come back live to you and show you that. So I gotta mix up a dressing, and I really don't wanna do that until closer time to eat, because I'll just, leave the salad out after I get it mixed up. Anyway, Ritz crackers over the top. You could use any cracker you want to, but that's what this calls for. But that's how I'm doing my hash brown casserole for a side for the beef tenderloin. Y'all take care. Thanks for joining in. I'll see y'all when I see ya. See y'all.